All right, hey Dad. So I took these out of the back of my computer. There's just two little thumb screws on this left window here in the back. It was just here and here. And now I can just slide this back a little bit. And yours might be fussy. I mean, you might have to shake it a little bit. You might have to hit it a little bit. Yours won't have this little connection here, so you can just kind of ignore what I'm doing right here to get this out. But I'm just going to get that out of the way. You can see here that I'm a little dusty. Ugh, I guess it's not a terrible thing that I'm in here. But you can see that my RAM is here, so I'm trying to give you an outside perspective. This is the RAM in my computer. Yours might be a little bit different color. I think yours is actually baby blue, so it should be a similar color. And so to uninstall the RAM, you can see there's these plastic tabs up top. And let me get a better seated position here. But when you're pulling these out, all you have to do is it's a combination of lifting up and pushing back. So I'm just kind of lifting up and pushing back. Okay. And then on the bottom, angle this down so you can see it. Use my pointer finger and do the same thing. Okay. And once I do that on both of them, I can wiggle and slide it out. Okay. And that's all there is to it for taking them out. We'd have to go through some more detail if you had only 2 sticks instead of 4, because you would have to make sure you put those 2 sticks in the right slots so that they actually have faster performance. You don't have to worry about that. You have 4 RAM pieces and 4 slots, so just fill them up. So on the way back in, so when you're replacing this and plugging this back in, you can't mess it up because you can see that there's a shorter amount of pins up here and a longer amount of pins down here. Make sure you've got it lined up right. When you look at the slot back here, you can see that right where this corner of this RAM is pointing is a solid piece of plastic, and the rest of this is the open slot. So open slot, divider, open slot. So you want to kind of line up the right way. Again, verify that these are open and kind of floppy, and when you push this back in, okay, you're lining things up right. Okay, you can feel it start to slide in. Ooh, it slid in really nice. Now it's not in all the way, and what you do is you just push and listen until it clicks. Boom. Okay, that's one side. That one's done. Down here, I'm going to push until it clicks. Oh, I'm tipping it over. Give me 1 second. There, click. So you want to hear it click both times. And that's it. That's all you're going to be doing. So just rip out the 2 slots that you've got. So I know that you have 4 slots total and 2 sticks of RAM. So on the 2 sticks of RAM, you have to loosen the slots up on the tops and the bottoms and pull them out. And on the other 2 slots, make sure you remember to also open up the tab. So just because there wasn't RAM there doesn't mean that they're going to be ready to receive RAM. You have to lift them up and push them back on all 4 of these up on top and all 4 down here. They all have to be opened up and ready to receive RAM, and just click, 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 all 4 of them. And that's it.